Now it's time to say hello. Oh, the nature you'll see and the places you'll go. You'll explore and create, search high and low on the Dave the Discoverer Show.
That's me! Hey, boys and girls, it's your old pal here, Dave the Discoverer. Today we're gonna learn how plants get their food and how they make energy and glucose, otherwise known as sugar. It's through a process called photosynthesis. Say it with me, kids. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis! Great job! Now, we're going to learn the first of two processes during photosynthesis. The first one is the light reaction. You can stop. You can use your interactive learning activity while we learn the light process. Just match the number on the back of the puzzle piece onto the puzzle, so you have your own diorama of the light reaction process.
Recognize the number on the page so you can do your interactive learning activity along with me. First, sunlight shines on the plant. Yay! Next, pigments inside the plant called chlorophyll, or Phil for short, get all excited. Woohoo! Then chlorophyll breaks water into two groups, oxygen, the air we breathe, and electrons. Them electrons then work like glue to make ATP, which is like a charged battery full of energy. And that's it for the light reaction, folks.
Now it's time for part 2 of photosynthesis. Part 2 is the dark reaction. Now you see, the dark reaction doesn't always have to happen in the dark, but the light reaction must always happen in the light. Take your interactive learning activity and flip it over. Choose one of the 3 game pieces here. There's a bunny, a birdie, and a kitten. I personally would go with the kitten myself because everybody loves kittens. Put your following, buddy, on the start piece on your interactive learning activity. Now, the dark process starts off with something called carbon, which is a key ingredient in the making of food and energy for plants. Let us begin.
First, we start off with 6 chains of 5 carbon.
Then,
we add 6 carbon.
Next,
we give it a little shot of ATP from the light reaction. Remember?
now we have
12 chains of 3 carbon for a total of 36 carbon.
Then we
give her a little more ATP.
some carbon separates.
2 chains of 3 carbon leave the process to make glucose, otherwise known as sugar.
Now, all that's remaining is
10 chains of 3 carbon.
now we
Add even more ATP.
and we're back to where we started. Now that's the end to the photosynthesis process, kids. Join me next week in episode 351 when I wrestle a hippo, titled Dave Wrestles a Hippo. See you then.
Now it's time to say goodbye. Wipe your tears, no need to cry. Dave will see you at another time on the Dave the Discoverer Show.
That's me.